Hindi ka alaw?
Hindi.
Naman?
Hindi,
Naka-black ka?
Hindi, nakatuwa.
Naka-black ka?
Ang black.
Hindi ka makasunod?
Sa sino? Pwede, pero never pa ako dyan ang sunod.
Yan.
Kaya,
新加坡的，
Kaya,
free drinks yan. Hindi ka.
如果有小一点的，我帮你买。
Dapat na pra.
Next year na naman ako. Huwag ko lumayan. Pero
想
bawal
要有
picture ko.
design 的吗？应该都是有 design 的。可以有 design 的。
Mami,
Alam mo
ano
naman
na
yung
yun?
看一下有什么 design。
Work permit.
你喜欢蓝色、红色还有什么颜色？妈妈，我知道那个。妈妈，我知道那个。
Malagaw ako sa may ano eh.
那个是蓝色。那个有妈妈的。
Low tide this, oh.
那个是售快递船。售快递船啊，我们的快递在里面啊。那是货船。妈妈，你喜欢黄色？
Gastos daw ako.
Abdi.
啊，也可以。
Yung
我
gastos
们
mo.
的今天
Kaya
快
public
递
to
来
ba?
的。
Hindi ka naman gagastos doon. May libre ka pa.
这是海运集装箱。昨天的快递好不好？昨天到了。
Experience mo lang bago ka umuwi.
Ito yung friend ko. Ginayaya ako sa ano.
我们的快递就是
Sa
坐那种
place
船
I've
来新加
never
坡
been
的。
before. Low tide, low tide, low tide. Low tide, tingnan mo.
对
Oh, mas maganda.
Low tide.
对，
We're going
那里
to
面全部都是
Sentosa
别
Beach.
人的货，看到没有
Beach
都是一个 box，
station
一个 box 那个叫垦滩的，
See, oh,
然
it's
后
low
shipping 都
tide
是用这种
here.
垦滩的，中文叫集装箱。
Sentosa.
上面是
We'll enjoy now.
Resorts World Station, Singapore's only
Sentosa.
fence-integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's exhilarating mix of world-class entertainment, hotels, and attractions such as Universal Studios Singapore.
啊，你 hold 住哈，哎呀妈呀，脚还要踮起来。
Resorts World Station.
Dapat tudya talang karo
Unlike
malagaw.
Resorts World Sentosa,
对，
Dapat tudya talang karo
因为
malagaw.
Universal Studio 带那个，
Tapos masagap dayon ako ka bag.
累不累哈？
Kinangalan ko ang bag. Eh sa Domingo loaded ang schedule ko.
Loaded man po.
可以。
Kapoy.
然后我在这
Niya din ako sa Pilipinas ko pag gusto ako ka oras
Kasi
ko.
meron sa kaay dito sa Tapinis.
人像你
Sonia.
5 or 6.
Basta ba't
6 usapan naman bago mag 6.
Basta pag
Oh, sa Tapinis ba akala ko sa SUTD?
Tapinis
Ah, naku na iba na naman yung
tayo dapat lang.
schedule sa Sunday. Tapinis, okay. Tapinis.
Wala nang isa TV.
Sige. 4 tayo, no?
5.
Sino?
Ikaw, si Susan, si Sonia, ako, si Ana.
Ah,
Tapinis na lang.
Tapinis kami. Stop
masyadong ano,
Stop
masyadong-
answering dito sa Sentosa.
Pagbalik mo dyan ka mag-video sa kabila.
An
Imbia
adventure
Station.
awaits you at Imbia Lookout's cluster of exciting attractions. Please mind the
Imbia
platform
Station.
gap. Imbia Station.
Iba na yung Imbia, di ba dito may fountain paggabi. This is my last tour here in Singapore. My last tour here in Singapore. Parang maganda dito yung beauty. Lipat nga ako sa kabila. Imbia Station. Train going back to Vivo City. It's not loaded because we're too early today. And today is public holiday. May 1 Labor Day. Happy Workers' Day.
这石头就成一个线，
开可能会是
就是瀑布，就是这样开，打开了就是一
You are just minutes away from Sentosa's many exciting island offerings. This train is bound for Beach Station. Next stop, Beach Station.
We're on the next stop.
Attention all guests. Please do not leave your belongings unattended. If you see any unattended items, please alert our station staff immediately. Beach Station. Alight here for white sandy beaches, dotted by a wide selection of attractions and food and beverage outlets. Please mind the platform gap. Beach Station.
My new atoll. Thank you, Catron, for this attire. Enjoy the beach. This is my last time to enjoy at Sentosa Beach Station. Bye bye Singapore. Oh, tingnan mo siya, oh. Diba? We're going to Palawan Beach Station. Very nice. You see the flowers are pink. Before I know it's white. Maybe it's very nice here at night. Night time. You see purple. That is my favorite color. Purple. Oo. Night time. Favorite color. Purple is my favorite color. The renovation is still going on. See, the toilet is purple. Wow. Palawan green. Yeah. There's renovation. Maybe there's activities here. We're going down. This is Palawan Green. Kami nagja-jogging. Today is May 1. It's Labor Day. We're here in the Kids Mania.